Well, you know a thing or two.
People have said that before, yeah. It looks great from my perspective.
Okay, good. Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You did. That is definitely staying in. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, Kevin, KEUM, is in the new Gordy River 1 filming space, this new studio. We haven't hung out in like, oh my god, it's been like 2 months.
It has been. It's been a while.
It's been too long.
And now I'm seeing everything put together and it's lovely.
So today, as you can see by the title, Kevin is going to be following my makeup tutorial. He doesn't know which one. I know which one.
I'm worried.
He's very worried and I'm very excited. I am going to sit over here on the couch and play Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom while Kevin is busy. Well, I guess you can't see, but like in the makeup.
Yeah.
He's going to get in my makeup. It's all organized and put away. So there's no cheating. I don't know how much help I'm going to give.
I'm going to need it. So you
yeah,
give a lot.
That's okay. Yeah, probably. I don't know if I'm going to be like, well, you have to blend that more or whatever. I don't know. Like the degree.
Yeah.
You know.
We'll see how much help I need. I feel like I'm going to need it a lot.
We'll figure it out. I think the most help he'll need is that he's allergic to cats and Otto's hair is reigning dominion over my makeup studio. So I am going to march over here and sit down, and Kevin is going to move into the center, and then we're going to get started.
Here we go.
So if you guys are excited to see what Kevin comes up with, keep on watching. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. That's not a paddle brush.
I'm already messed up. No, it's like a flat brush, right?
Uh-huh.
Like,
oh my god, I threw that brush away.
Setting me up for failure.
There's another one in there. It's white with pink tips. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. I know I said in my cleaning video
that primers are down here. Where's the jelly primer?
It's in there.
Do primer?
Yeah.
I found it.
You can pause the YouTube video to watch.
Okay,
good.
Okay, I'm getting into a flow here. Okay, so do I put it on the brush?
Mm-hmm.
It does smell really nice.
Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah. Do you do your nose?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and then you did. Do I need to worry about that since I'm not?
No.
Okay.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm excited though. I'm gonna go in full face. Just kidding. What if? Oh, I gotta pay attention. Invaluable?
Infallible.
Oh, hi there. I'm glistening.
Yeah.
And the thing is, like when I was younger, I would put on like a translucent powder so I wouldn't be shiny.
Okay, Gabo.
I know, and I had those. Do you know those paper strips that were in
like an oil blotting?
Yeah,
sheet?
I would take those out with me so I could just blot the oil off.
You're gayer than I am.
I didn't want to be like shiny. And the liquid is in the center.
Mm-hmm. It will say liquid blush brush on it, or liquid blush.
Liquid. I got it. And you just put this right on the. I didn't see down below, but you just did it right on the brush. It looked like.
You'll have to watch the video and find out.
Let me go back. Oh wait, you put it on your hand, I think.
Mm-hmm.
On the back of your hand?
Yeah.
I'm avoiding my under eye area. Do too much. So that way I can healthy squirt. I'm gonna do healthy squirt.
Yeah.
Okay,
after I put the product on with. Let the viewers know what you're doing.
Huh?
Let the viewers know what you're doing.
Oh, I'm stippling it on.
Man, come here. Oh my god, he's obsessed with you.
He is. How high should I try to go up in my hairline more? Maybe.
Yeah. If you're stippling, just go a little higher.
Just
it will
pull it up.
It will get That's a great way to put it. It will get more sheer.
Pull it up.
It'll get more sheer the more you put on.
And then you did not go under your eyes because we're leaving that for concealer.
Oh my god, yes.
We're leaving it for concealer.
It looks great from my perspective.
Okay, good. Perfect.
I'll go over with my sponge and take away any excess that may have been.
Okay, I'm gonna take this and put this away.
Oh my god, say sponge in your
Which voice? Sponge. Take my sponge and get the excess off. Just sponge it around. Yeah.
It helps with the itching. You guys know.
Ooh, itching. There's gonna be itching?
This component.
Color Pop. That's the one that looks like it has little. Sorry, but
it's a heart.
Okay, but if you turn it upside down. Oh, I need to pay attention.
Use the Color Pop.
We've got Color Pop.
This component is literally so cute.
And it's a heart. It's a heart. How adorable. Okay, well, ooh, let's see. It does look a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Dabba dabba doo. Oh wait, that was maybe too much. That's a lot. Okay.
Oh.
What?
Wow. That's so creative.
That's too much.
So
Is that too much?
we might need to double up on the sponge and the brush to get that.
Oh, the same brush. Okay. Because it'll help diffuse it out. Diffuse the blush a lot more. A little bit in the eye. Oh God. That might be too much.
Excuse me. The way that I can see it from here, Kevin.
Okay. Well, maybe I'll.
I was just saying, let's get some of those paper towels and maybe take some of that stuff off the other side.
Yeah.
And what I would do is use the light pale pink sponge
before I.
No, on the one that you already did.
Okay.
To kind of pick up some of that.
I love blush. Who doesn't love blush? You know.
You know what? Maybe you're starting a trend that we just don't know about.
Yeah. Oh, little nose. Oh, little kiss. Little kiss on the nose.
So what I think you should do is get some of that concealer, that whatever one I'm about to mention, and maybe apply a little bit more than I did in the video.
Okay.
And
on this side.
On both sides.
Oh. Okay. Cool.
Why don't you actually put the foundation you used? Put some on the back of your hand and use the brush that you used to put it on, and just put it over top.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Is it helping?
I'm gonna need it a lot more.
Well, it's supposed to be a heavy blush look, so
good.
Don't take heavy blush.
Oh no.
See, your left side, the one that you're not cleaning up right now, looks fine to me. Like that's like kind of a Gordy Bear 1 amount of blush in my mind.
Should I tone this one down?
I would,
but just lightly.
Yeah.
The thing I'm seeing is it looks heavy over here.
Mm-hmm.
Not the color, but the amount of makeup over here. But
the coverage.
I tone it down more.
I think when we put concealer and powder over it, it's gonna look good.
Okay.
Just really focus on the concealer. Really pay attention.
Yeah. Camel concealer. Okay, camel? Did you say camel?
Camo.
Oh, camel concealer.
You lunatic.
Oh. And I know all about being very sparing.
I think that's one of your strong suits.
Yeah
for sure.
Clearly. You just did a dab.
That one has a lot of pigment in it, so you could just...
Should I get a different one? Or?
No, don't go overboard trying to correct something and then make a new mistake that you have to correct again.
So you just did...
Help it blend out seamlessly. Since I have so much blush in my foundation brush,
oh wait, I should have done...
sponge. Love this thing. Tap it out.
Now, should I put some concealer to tone this down, or will powder take care of
the blush? Are you fully done with your concealer blending?
No, not yet.
Finish 100% comfortable to your comfort level with the concealer, and we'll see what it looks like.
So I'm going to blend this all together. Should I pull some of this concealer over a little bit?
I'll tell you what. Why don't you try it and see what happens?
Okay.
That worked. Yeah. You know what I would do? I would take a clean brush and blend it into your facial hair.
And just blend it down?
Yeah, just like kind of, not blend it, like buff it out. Like buff out the edge.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because
it was such a line. Oh, this big guy right here. There she is.
For many years.
Wet and Wild Master of Fire. Ooh. And I need a lot of diffusing, I feel like. Oh yeah, it's toning it down.
Okay, good. There is also a small powder from e.l.f. in there that has more pigment that you could use to diffuse. Okay,
so you said to do, for more color, there was another... Did you say e.l.f.?
It's like significantly smaller. It has... Yep.
Okay. And do a little bit of that too?
Yeah, with the same brush, just to add some coverage.
Okay. Over
the entire face.
Okay. How often should I go back in? Should I do like a section and then go in again?
It's kind of
Just whatever you're feeling.
Yeah, I mean, I just know how much is on the brush.
Because you don't want this all to disappear. You're just trying to tone it down. It just opens up the eye so much.
The concealer underneath.
Yeah.
I completely agree.
I love that.
That's why I like concealer that's pretty light, is because it's like, it really makes a humongous difference.
No, I can definitely see.
Just for the
blush.
Spots clean and
right here.
free of sweat or dirt or whatever. Now, and my Wet n Wild blush brush.
Buttermelt.
Through the layer.
Ooh, don't use that one actually, because someone knocked it over.
Oh,
and that is a intense blush. Does it have a blue?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Should we use the dark purple one that's made for like extremely dark
here?
skin on the bottom?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe we should.
So I gotta get wet brush.
The fluffier brushes have more of Otto's hair on them, so
it's just Otto spreading his love.
That's
what he does.
That's exactly what it is. I heard you do that too on Friday nights.
Sometimes. So I'm not using that because it's a little intense. So I'm gonna do just knock it off onto your little tray, huh?
What I really like.
Okay, so I'm gonna go. I love blush.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
What?
This is gorgeous.
Is it?
Yes, it looks really good.
It's not too much.
No, it looks really
much.
good. It's good. It looks great, actually.
Okay.
Oh, that's exciting, Kevin.
Good.
Yeah. That's perfect. That's great. That's gonna look so good.
Oh gosh, I don't know about that. I've never done a brow pencil in my life, honey. Okay, I'll start with that, and if I need more, I can always put on more. Oh yeah, it's doing a great job.
Yeah.
It's like, and then it actually makes my brows look more defined. Well, you know a thing or two.
People have said that before. Yeah. I'm sensitive,
Holy
Aubrey.
smokes! It just brought him out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very subtle.
Brows for days.
I'd say even at least a week.
At least a week.
At least a week.
At least.
So I'm going to use my crusty little highlighter book.
Crusty highlighter book. Check. No, just kidding.
Shut up. Let me
I believe I found is M505.
It'll tell you at the near the top of the barrel.
Let's see. Right there.
But it's the perfect size.
It's the perfect size.
Kind of highlighting.
Perfect size.
So I'm going to use my crusty little highlighter book and.
Okay, and then you just kind of.
My approach to highlighting is pinpointed and subtle.
Well,
highlight by nature is not subtle, but it's like not like smear all over your face.
Well, if I do happen to put too much on, is there a way to
use your
powder brush?
Yes.
Or okay.
I think it's time for Gordy Bear 1 to come back over. I'll come over there and then we'll be right back.
Ooh. You ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, wait. You look a little flushed.
A little flush.
You look a little flushed.
You know?
But on camera, it looks
so good.
It looks really good. Yeah, it looks really
good.
So let's start with the bad because there's more good than bad.
Yeah, this side's good. This side's good.
Yeah.
That's what I'm like.
So there's texture, but when you're almost 20, you're almost 29.
Yeah.
So
yeah, guys.
Oh, by the way, today is his birthday. his 29th birthday.
I think there's more, like, this side just feels more heavy because I always start on this side and I was like, oh,
yeah,
that's too much.
And then you figured it out.
Yeah, and then it's like, oh, okay, well, this side too. So
on camera, it looks perfect. Now you look at the highlighter. See, what I would have done with the highlighter, I would have taken it and just blended it farther out like that. Just so it like starbursts out instead of being a concentrated line. Yeah. Do you see how it's a little bit concentrated right here? Yeah. So like I would have done a little bit more of that. Now shift your head up and down. Yeah, see? It's completely different. So that's what I would have done. The nose highlight, I can see it in the mirror.
Right here?
Yes, it looks really good. So the next time we do this, which we definitely are going to do.
Yeah, it's fun.
I think what I'm going to have you do is try to do this from memory.
From memory.
This time I had the steps and not the products. I think next time I'll have the products and not the steps.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm saying?
I think I can do it. It's so good. It's so good.
What do you think? Out of a good old out of 10, what are you thinking?
I mean, for me doing it, probably like a 7 or 6, 7. Just kidding. Sorry.
I would say for this being like your first time in makeup in
time.
forever, 9.
Really?
Yeah, this is really good,
really?
especially on the camera, because sometimes the camera, sometimes it blurs the wrinkles. Yeah. Sometimes it smoothens the texture.
Not a 1. I don't know what he's talking about.
And some people don't have wrinkles.
They don't.
And some people do.
I think the experience has been definitely a 10. Oh my God.
And you know what?
It has been a 10.
It's always great hanging out with you. So thank you guys so much for watching. We had a lot of fun filming this. I had a lot of fun playing Breath of the Wild in the background while Kevin did most of the heavy lifting. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below about how Kevin did. Rate the makeup look out of 10, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace, y'all. That was the first try. That was
I'm always on top. I'm always on top with that.